Acer unveils Google TV streaming box with 6 ports, and microSD card reader. Acer's latest set-top box purportedly supports virtually every relevant streaming app via Google TV. But what really sets it apart is its surprisingly wide range of connections, including USB-A, USB-C, and Ethernet. At first glance, the brand new Acer 4K UHD Google TV box doesn't look particularly atypical, as Acer opts for a square white plastic housing with a discrete grey Acer logo on the top. The set-top box comes with a standard Google TV remote control, which also features a microphone for voice control and shortcut buttons for Netflix, YouTube Music, and Amazon Prime Video. Compared to others like the third-generation Xiaomi TV Box S, Acer's set-top box has a strikingly large number of ports. In addition to a USB-C port for power and an HDMI port for connecting a TV, there is also a USB-A and a second USB-C port on the casing for connecting accessories. Wired internet connectivity can be established via Ethernet, while Wi-Fi 6 is also available. A Toslink port allows users to connect a soundbar or amplifier so that the sound does not have to be looped through the TV. The integrated storage can be expanded with a microSD card reader to create more space for apps and media. The integrated Amlogic S905X5 processor with 4 Cortex-A510 processor cores and an ARM Meili G310 GPU enables video streaming in 4K resolution. The set-top box is currently available for pre-order only in South Africa for the equivalent of approximately $80. Details on a possible international launch are pending.